Experiencing a Galaxy Buds case that won't hold a charge? You're not alone. This video addresses this common issue with Samsung Galaxy Buds, including models like the Buds 3, Buds Pro, Buds 4, and Buds 4 Pro. We'll explain why it happens and, more importantly, how to fix it. It's most common in older models, but even newer models can have issues. Several factors contribute to why your Galaxy Buds case loses charge. Lithium-ion batteries degrade over time with use, typically lasting 300 to 500 charge cycles before capacity drops. Overcharging the case by leaving it plugged in too long can cause unnecessary stress on the battery cells. Extreme temperatures, such as leaving the case in a hot car or exposing it to cold, can accelerate battery degradation. Physical damage from drops or impacts can harm internal components and disrupt charging functionality. Software glitches or bugs in the firmware can lead to abnormal battery drain or failure to charge properly. Poor contact points during charging, often due to dirt or wear, can prevent the case from receiving power effectively. Before trying more complex solutions, start with these simple troubleshooting steps for your Galaxy Buds case. First, reset your Galaxy Buds. You can do this through the Galaxy Wearable app on your phone or by pressing the reset button on the charging case if your model has one. Second, clean the charging contacts. Use a soft, dry cloth to gently wipe both the earbuds and the inside of the charging case. Debris or dirt can prevent proper charging. Third, recalibrate the battery. Fully drain the case by using it until it shuts off, then fully recharge it. This helps reset the battery's charge monitoring. Software solutions through the Galaxy Wearable app are key to fixing Galaxy Buds case charging issues. Samsung regularly releases firmware updates that improve battery management and charging performance. Make sure to keep both the Galaxy Wearable app and your Buds firmware updated to access the latest fixes. In the app settings, enable Battery Health Mode to optimize charging cycles and prevent rapid battery drain. For example, a 2025 firmware update specifically improved Buds 3 Pro case battery life by up to 20%. If software solutions haven't resolved the charging issue, the problem may be hardware-related. Let's examine the physical components that could be causing your Galaxy Buds case to lose charge. Start by inspecting the charging port. For most Galaxy Buds models, this is a USB-C port. Look for any visible damage, dust, or debris that might prevent proper connection. Clean the port gently with a soft, dry cloth if needed. If your case supports wireless charging, test it with a different charging pad. Make sure the pad is powered on and positioned correctly. Faulty wireless charging can often be traced to issues with the charging coil or the pad itself. For more serious hardware issues like physical damage from drops, exposure to water, or battery degradation, professional repair is recommended. Samsung provides certified repair services and may cover certain defects under warranty, especially for newer models. If the basic troubleshooting steps don't work, more advanced fixes like reflashing the firmware or replacing the battery may be necessary. These are best left to professionals to avoid damaging the device. Samsung partnered with uBreakifix in 2024 for certified repairs, offering battery replacements for under $50. The future looks brighter for battery life in TWS earbuds. Samsung is exploring graphene-enhanced batteries for better longevity. Trends suggest modular cases that allow users to replace the batteries themselves, reducing e-waste. Expect AI-integrated diagnostics to predict charging issues preemptively by 2027 to 2028. To prolong the life of your Galaxy Buds case, avoid overcharging. Do not leave the case plugged in for extended periods after it reaches full charge. Avoid extreme temperatures. Keep the case away from heat sources like direct sunlight or hot surfaces. Store the case at room temperature, between 20 to 25 degrees Celsius or 68 to 77 degrees, to maintain optimal battery health. Clean the charging contacts regularly using a soft, dry cloth to ensure a good connection and prevent charging issues. By following these tips, you can minimize the chances of your case failing to hold a charge and keep your Galaxy Buds ready to go.